the moment you remember some of the strong characteristics of the waking identity, you wake up from sleeping identity. Sleeping identity is called Sukshma Sarira. Deep sleep identity is called Karana Sarira. Waking identity is called Stula Sarira. Enlightened identity can be called as Jnana Sarira. We can give our own name, Jnana Sarira. So understand, whenever you strongly remember some of the qualities of the Stula Sarira, your Sukshma Sarira, the dreaming identity gets sucked into this identity. Whenever you remember some of the strong qualities of the Jnana Sarira, this identity, waking state identity, gets sucked into it. And Jnana Sarira's qualities is what I was explaining yesterday as Ananta Kalyana Guna. Thousands of auspicious qualities. When you remember any one of that Ananta Kalyana Guna strongly, this identity gets sucked into it, and that identity starts expressing through this body. That is what we call Dharma. When someone of the Ananta Kalyana Guna is strongly remembered by the waking identity, it just gets sucked into the enlightened identity, enlightened experience. You can't even use the word identity, it is wrong word. Enlightenment experience. And that qualities, that characteristics, which is beyond characteristics, which is beyond qualities, Sutta Swayam Prakasa, Jyotiranandamaya, Nirvigalpa Niranjana Niramaya Nirlamba Nirlapta, Sagaja, Sakshishwarupa. Santa, Saumya, Sattvadita. These are some of the Ananta Kalyana Gunas that starts oozing out, pouring itself through the identity which got sucked into that experience. When that experience oozes through the identity which was sucked into that experience, whatever way it oozes out is called Dharma.
My trust in you, 'cause you know it's best for me to lead a blissful life, a life with no more strife. I can't believe the things I do, just to spend a little time with you. Nothing will compare, I know you will take care.
You're always showing us compassion, your love is endless like an ocean. Nityananda, Nityananda. meditation. Ever since we had a deep connection.